pet peeve of mine is when I see girls that have a ponytail and it don't move. It don't move. It just does this. Hey world. Stephanie St. Combe, for those of you who don't know me, welcome to my channel, and I wanted to come here to show you guys a few of my beauty tips. I'm going to come on here every now and then and maybe show you how I do some makeup, how I achieve certain looks, and this one is, I need to put a charger in my phone. Basically, I'm going to show you guys a very simple hairstyle. Like for me, just to introduce myself in the community, like where I stand. I was a natural. I started doing Botox in my hair, and I took all the curls out of my hair. It was curly, but then like the front was straight, and so then I just started pressing my hair continuously, and eventually everything got straight. And I also noticed a lot of other people that were straightening their hair too, so I didn't really feel like I was betraying the natural hair community, which maybe some of us can have straight guilt, or maybe I used to have straight guilt. But for me, I feel more comfortable in this society. I just don't think I'm strong enough, to be completely honest. I don't think I'm strong enough for natural hair. So with that being said, one of my biggest pet peeves of straight hair is if you're achieving whatever hairstyle, it has to give. And so if you have straight hair, it needs to give. It needs to achieve the look. And to achieve the look, it needs to have movement. But I would always use heat, and then before I did my natural hair journey, a lot of my length would be taken out because of heat. So sometimes I'm tempted to still use heat, but I have been using some stuff like Gisu products like Chi, heat protectant, just oil and stuff like that. And so what I'm going to show you is basically how to achieve a ponytail with some weight, so that way you can have some movement in your ponytail. A pet peeve of mine is when I see girls that have a ponytail and it don't move. It don't move. It just does this. And so mine sometimes might do that, like a little bit. And so I don't want it to do that. So what I'm going to do is maybe like I had already sprayed some, and like I used basically Eco Style gel to just like put my hair down straight into a middle part, side part, whatever you prefer. And then you make sure that you like put a little bit of oil in your hair or some leave-in conditioner or something. And then you just make sure you go to your local beauty supply store, and as I say beauty supply store, and try to get yourself some of these knockers, is what my friend called them, knockers. And if you do pigtails, these are really cute, especially if you're doing them high, because it gives them some weight and movement. And really what inspired me to use these, I used to wear them as a kid. My mom used to put my hair and in several ponytails. I had like 3 ponytails, and my mom put these barrettes, is what we call them, but these knockers in my hair. But they were much smaller, but they still gave weight, so I'm still looking for some small ones. I prefer neutral colors, like maybe a clear, or these brown ones that I saw, or even black, just because it just makes it a little more adult, and I am achieving kind of like a nostalgic look with this. So you just take your hair and you put it into a braid, and after you put it into the braid, I'm a little bit nervous about using rubber bands. I have been using them a lot. I don't know if it's bad for my hair, which is why I'm starting to put the leave-in conditioner and oil, because I don't want it to be brittle as I'm manipulating it like that. This is a good hairstyle for the gym because I could press my hair with the Botox and it stays straight. But maintaining the fresh look, you know, with all the sweat, doing cardio and all that stuff, this is a good hairstyle to do. And you just take the knockers, you just bend the hair You take the hair and you put it into a loop, and then from there you're just gonna twist these on, wrap it around, and then loop it through the hole and crisscross it. So you just kind of like tie it around till you can't anymore. And now you see it has this weight. So now I can go like this all day, and that ponytail is not going to, and it's really cute. And you know what? You can, what I like to do is I like to thicken it. So I will pull apart the braid a little bit some more. I love volume. I live for volume. I also realized that maybe you have right now the length, maybe you have like a nice bob haircut for the summer. You could do a little ponytail, and you could always add in some hair and do like a nice longer one. I did it the other day at a Rolling Loud event. I just had I just added some hair and put the knockers at the end because I just wanted like a longer look. You could totally do that if you want like a longer look with some braiding hair or with some clip-ins. You could definitely achieve that. So I just want to share that with you guys, and I hope you like it. I hope I see more girls wearing these. Our moms were doing something right when they were doing our hair. We might as well just, you know, make it work.